Good morning, doctors. Today we are going to discuss about colorectal cancer. This is the second most commonly diagnosed cancer and commonest gastrointestinal malignancy. Increasing in younger age onset, family history is strong. See guys, colorectal cancer. This is the second most common malignancy, but in GI tract, this is the first most common malignancy. See, causes like risk factor like family history, age, male, or smokers. We see in smokers or family history. Yeah, and polyposis syndrome. In case of polyposis syndrome, we see. Now, history of polyps, which is visible here, or history of colon cancer patient, or those patient who have ulcerative colitis or patient with Crohn's disease. These are risk factor. Remember one time more. Diet poor in fibers, family history, age, male, smoking, and polyposis. History of polyps, history of colon cancer, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. Most common site of Crohn's disease is terminal ileum, whereas ulcerative colitis most common site is rectal, colorectal. Okay. Now, clinical presentation, right sigmoidal location 20%. Patient is asymptomatic but weight loss or iron deficiency or palpable mass we can see. 20% in right sided location this tumor. Descending sigmoid location is 75%. This one. This is descending colon or sigmoid location. It's 75%. Dark red mixed with stool clots. When in stool there is a clots with blood clots, bloating and flatulence symptoms. Rectal location like on surface of stool. Or patient have bowel frequency increase when he passes stool and again he feel to pass again or abdominal pain. These are the symptoms of clinical presentation. Abdominal pain, tenesmus present or absent, incomplete sensation of defecation, evacuation. When patient passes stool, then he also feel need to pass, not feeling satisfied. These are the symptoms or hematochezia, blood with clots in his stool. Okay, iron deficiency, weight loss, such symptoms of colorectal carcinoma. Yeah. Now we see this is normal and pathology, this is cancerous cell malignancy here. Let's discuss. Yeah. Pathology, when there is polypoidal, this is look like polypoidal. When this ulcerative, these are the ulcers. When stenosing, it is stenosing. And infiltrative is a fourth image, reaches other organ, infiltrative. Okay. Now, how to investigate this colorectal carcinoma? By per-rectal examination, position of patient in such or proctoscope we can use to visualize the tumor. Okay. And we can go for colonoscopy and sigmoidoscopy. You can see in this picture how they perform colonoscopy. And barium enema or colonography we can use for investigation. Colonoscopy and sigmoidoscopy. LFT liver function test we see, FBC full blood count, or we can say complete blood count, or tumor marker CEA, chorioembryonic antigen. This is a marker which represents the cancer of colorectal. Now staging, if we want to discuss about the staging, we need to go for CT scan or PET scan, PET-CT, to identify the maybe nodes, lymph nodes involvement or any other metastasis. That is PET scan is very helpful. And CT scan abdomen. Staging TNM, primary tumor, then lymph nodes involvement and metastasis. The full form of TNM is primary tumor. Tumor is in this side, if you suppose. Then lymph nodes, these are the lymph nodes, green color dot, lymph nodes involvement. And metastasis means where is it? This tumor grows somewhere else also. Yeah. Duke's 5-year survival. 0 stage and stage 1. When there is a stage 1, then survival is 90% 5-year. Stage 2, 70% survival. Stage 3, 30% survival. Stage 4, 5% survival. Okay. Management, how to treat this colorectal carcinoma. Potentially curative. Surgical resection with lymphadenectomy. Surgically resect the tumor. Let's discuss. Right transfers. When tumor located here and here in ascending colon and in transverse colon, then we do right hemicolectomy, extended right hemicolectomy. If tumor located here in descending colon, then we do left hemicolectomy. If tumor located in a sigmoid section, then sigmoid and upper rectum high anterior resection. Okay. When tumor located in anorectum, then resect from here. Other options we have chemotherapy and radiotherapy, or metastatic organ removal, or palliative care we have. So guys, I already explained you about colorectal carcinoma. If you have any queries, any question regarding this, you can ask me. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like this video, put like on it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today.